Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lights that I got for my outdoor porch. Really nice. They're dusk till dawn, so at night they'll turn on, and then in the morning when the light comes on, when the sun comes out, they'll turn off automatically. I'm just going to show you. This is the motion thing, so once it turns dark, it turns on. So really nice. Gives out beautiful light. It's got these nice crystal glass pieces which look really beautiful. They're super easy to install. It comes with two of them. I'll show you both of them, how beautiful it looks in my house. Overall, great product. Highly recommend it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.